Let's get started showing you what you need to get to keep in your eyebrow kit. I just made that up off the top of my head. Hi guys, and welcome to Kandee's Brow Tool Beauty School. I'm gonna be showing you the essential must-have tools that everybody needs. I'm also gonna be sprinkling some tips and tricks from my over 20 years as a makeup artist in here. So watch till the end because you might get a little golden gem tip there at the end when I'm showing you how to use something. Number one, the Tweezerman. Without a doubt, Tweezerman. Don't ever buy another tweezer ever again. The Tweezerman ones are all you need. I have used these tweezers since I was 16 years old. The first time my eyebrows were tweezed, and it never went back. First tip, right out the gates. When you just get out of the shower, your skin is soft and supple and moist. Similar to when you get a pedicure or manicure and they soak your cuticles so it's soft and easy to push. Same thing with the hair. They are gonna pop out so much easier, freshly out of the shower. Also a tip for tweezing, I will show you moments ago before I filled these in. So you always wanna pull the hair in the direction it grows. So if the hair is growing up, like it's coming out and growing up this way, you wanna pull the hair out this way. If it's going out to the side, pull the hair this way. And you want to hold the skin taut. So right here, I'm gonna hold the skin taut, and I'm just gonna pull in the direction they're growing. If you do not pull taut, the skin's gonna like boing and snap back as it pulls the hair and it's gonna hurt. The tighter that you hold the skin, the easier it's going to be. Every once in a while, just clean the blades of your tweezers. It's very satisfying. Next step that you're going to need for shaping. Yeah, you're gonna remove the hair, but you gotta shape these babies. So next, also from Tweezerman, I mean, they're made in Italy, they're designed just for eyebrows. So these are the Tweezerman, the little trimmers, and they come with little spoolie. These are essential to keep your eyebrows in check. So again, I'll show you my tips and tricks for this. Eyebrow hairs, they'll stick up or stick down or be crazy. So what I like to do is, if you brush them down, you can see any that are sticking down, and you want, mine are pretty short, they don't really need anything right now, but whoa, look at these long guys sticking up there. You gotta get out of here. So I just trim right above, and the tails, they get that way too. So you can either brush them up or brush them down. If you see any weird guys, just hold them into place. And if you see any ones sticking, usually by my arches where I like to clean these guys up, like that. Number three, this could also be two or three could be interchangeable. You need an angle brush with a spoolie. If you don't have this, you're I don't know what you're gonna be doing. This is also from Tweezerman. I love them because they're the eyebrow pros. Another essential for shaping, I don't have my face makeup on, so I normally put that on, and then my eyebrows are like icing on the cake. I fill them in, but I'm gonna show you, this is one of my favorites. It is the Benefit Brow Pomade, and look, it has this little scrapey edge that you get the excess off, which I love. You dip your angle brush in here. How I like to do it is I like to start at the inner corner. I just like to go up and like frame where it's gonna start, and then I like to create this little kind of square ledge, and then I fill him in. The eyebrow trends come and go, thin, thick, bushy, all the different things. Now, I like an old Hollywood eyebrow, so I just like to fill it in like I'm coloring a coloring book. I go up to the arch, I accentuate the arch. I like an elongated brow, it just like frames the face better, so I just drag it down. Then what you do with your spoolie is you take it from the bottom, start from the bottom, move to the top. And you just kind of blend the hair up. It just separates the product. It makes it look a little more realistic. That way it doesn't look like, whoa. But you can see already this side makes this whole side of my face look, whoa, lifted and awake. Where this side just looks like, oh, we're just hanging out. Next, I also love a pencil. If the scales are like not totally 50-50, because I still love a brow pomade, it's faster. Pencils take a little bit longer, but they are more lighter. So if you feel like you're just starting off, pencils are an easy way to get into brow shaping. So tips, brows can be like 1 to 2 shades darker than your actual hair color. And again, same thing I'll do. I'll take the spoolie and I will drag it up like this. This is gonna look a little crazy because I don't have face makeup on, so just like, boom, my brows. Last tool is going to be the shaping brow brush from Tweezerman. Also, this you can use to apply serums, powders. I'll show you with the brow wig product. So this is the brow wig from Too Faced, and it's little fibers that will help build up. I don't know if you can see it on there, but there's little hairs, and those help build up if you have sparse eyebrows or thinning spots. So again, you can apply this with the spoolie directly on there. That is where you'd go in with the shaping brow brush, and you just kind of like fuzz them, and like you can get them to stick up more if you want. Brows will frame the face, make the face look lifted, narrow, make your eyes look closer or wider apart. A brow that has more of a peak up here is going to open the eye and lift it and make it look like you have a facelift without doing anything. When I first started doing makeup over 20 years ago, that was one of the first things I noticed about people's faces. I was like, I want to do your eyebrows. I can make your face look so framed and accentuate your cheekbones, your face shape. Eyebrows are amazing. Without a doubt, get the Tweezerman tweezer. This will be a game changer. I have the same pair from when I was 16, you guys, and they're still pulling out hair like crazy. I lose them and then I get a new pair, of course. I always find my old and I'm like, look at you. You are still going strong. You're still just plucking hairs out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And as always, you are more beautiful than you know. You're more talented than you think. And you are more loved than you can possibly imagine. Especially from this girl named Kandee. You better feel this hug I'm squeezing through the phone. I love you guys. Have a great day. Mwah. Bye.